So what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So if you search on Amazon or any other e-commerce website, the number one thing you get is Apple's Earpods when you search for headphones or earphones because of their beautiful design or the ability to stand in the ear without falling and just overall the audio quality and everything. Just I want to tell not only people buy these earphones just because the brand is Apple, but again the quality of the audio which you're getting is unparalleled to any other audio headsets. So there are lots of places on different e-commerce websites that sells these ones for like as cheap as 200 rupees, and they go up to like 600 rupees, 700 rupees, somewhere even 1200 rupees. So the original deal actually when it was launched as a separate product, it costed like 3000 Indian rupees, but now it's dropped up to 1500 rupees. So again, like the pricing which they offer you is definitely not the pricing it's worth it. And again, this is not at all the original. They even add a branding called as original, but still these earphones are not at all original. Again, as you can see, it's a beautiful one, and I am also curious that what they include in the box, because Apple also includes the same tray as you can see in this image, like in this video, that there is the same tray. And again, there is a manual in this is if this is a real deal, it is going to be having like the manual in all of the languages possible. It's only a 2 to 3 page manual which is translated into different kinds of languages. So just basically it looks pretty genuinely replicated, and again, like when I open it, I get the whole border of the box, and that again is not at all a good sign. So that is definitely a dead giveaway that this is not an original Apple's earphones. Next thing, okay, this is Apple's certificate, or you can say 1 year warranty one. Again, definitely these are the replica ones, so just don't expect 1 year warranty with them. Now let's talk about the earphones itself. It gets a nice premium beautiful shiny ear cover, which when we peel off, it definitely gives us a feeling of an Apple product. Again, the plastic looks pretty cheap and is not at all Apple like, and just keeping the plastic aside, it's pretty obvious, the shine and the luster of the body, and just every single form factor definitely makes anyone feel that this is a genuine Apple product. But just wait here a second, and just what I'm going to be showing you now is very funny. And just again, the lid comes out just as usual, just definitely a pretty great sign. And now what I want to show you, well, the cable of the earphones, well, the cable is pretty likely replicated, but definitely it is not at all the original one, and I'm going to telling about that as well. But when I open this, Apple's earphones are not at all shaped like this, and the wire never gets a bend or a tangle, so this is also a dead sign. And just when I open this, when I'm opening these earphones, you can see the carrying case does not have any other problem, but the most important or the most big problem which I am noticing here is the fact, as you can see, that the ear grills, the small vents in the earphones which release the volume or the sound, as you can see, they are of a blue color mesh. So again, Apple has a cotton black nice fabricated mesh, and this is not at all a mesh even. I would suggest that this is a cheap piece of a little plastic kind of thing, which definitely is not at all a good one. Again, the volume button and the volume and mute button definitely looks like genuine, but there is one more dead giveaway which I want to tell. And also, like the 3.5mm headphone jack looks pretty great, just simple, it looks pretty genuine deal, but the build quality is not as genuine or as better. As you can see, the earphone's wire has a tangle, and this is not at all a case which you're looking at Apple, because Apple has a rubber like material, and this basically looks like a very cheap plastic. Again, the build quality of the earphones is not pretty bad, and also telling you frankly, I have used it, and it definitely is one of the greatest qualities for approximately 200 to 300 rupees earphones. But just don't pay more than that for these ones. Again, just most of you guys don't know how to put these earphones back, so I just wanted to show you that as well. And my overall conclusion regarding these earphones is that if you want to get a decent kind of quality headphones for the pricing of 200 rupees, at the max 200 rupees, then definitely go for these ones. These are knockoffs. Again, most of you say that the knockoffs don't have the great audio quality, but these do have, or it might be like my luck or something, but definitely it has a quite good one than my expectations. Again, like, this is not at all the price to pay for, like 500-600 rupees, but if you're getting this deal for 200 rupees, it is definitely a deal to go for. And just I wouldn't say that there are lots of things that are different regarding the original deal and the duplicate deal. So it's very obvious, the build quality and overall everything just makes you feel that is this a reliable one or not. So guys, I hope so you have liked today's video. In today's video I just gave you, audio quality. I actually cannot explain how the audio sounds, but I would say, if I have to give it a rating from 1 to 10, I will give it a 6 rating. So hope so you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, peace.